In this video, I will explain how to use a software called AstroSage and get the KP script. It is free, easily available, and I will explain the technique using both phones. If you have an iPhone or Android, you just have to download from App Store. First, I will explain using iPhone and then Android. And then I will show you that in Horosoft, the software I use, and you will find that these three show same KP script. So if you have an iPhone, step 1 is open the Kundli. Like this, you can see. Open the chart. Choose the chart. Go to the right side. Click to KP. And then see KP system. This page you have to see. Then here you have to check only 4 charts. KP chart is this, then Rashi chart, planets are here, cusp is here, and then Nakshatra Nadi. This is the script. So in KP chart, as position of any planet is checked in Bhav Chalit, so let's see the KP chart. So here you will find the position of planets, because when we talk about astrology, when we talk about KP astrology, we have to check the position in Bhav Chalit. So this is the KP chart. And then you have to check planets, as I have shown, like this is Rashi chart. Here the sign will be checked. This is the planet. Okay, so this is the cusp script from where you will find, like if you have to check about the first house cusp, then this here we can see this is Ketu. Then second house we can see this is Rahu. Like this you have to see. That's it. You don't need other charts right now, else you will get confused. So I will see like this. So let's see, let's check cusp plot over here. So star of the cusp is here. If you have to check the star, nakshatra, this is here. Like first is we check the position. And if you have to check about the self-significator, either you can check over here in nakshatra list or in nakshatra nadi. Best is go over here. Find out nakshatra nadi. So if you have to see which is the self-significator, just see the star lord list over here. Okay. Now let's see what this script is saying. So here we see planet sun showing 311, then star is also sun 311, sublord is Rahu, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12. So sun in its own star, that means it is a self-significator. So now we will use this script as a self-significator. And similarly, you can check for ruling planets also. For ruling planets, you have to check like this. You have to make a new chart. Open a new chart. New chart over here. So we will see ruling planets. So ruling planets are here. Like if you want to check about the ruling planets of this particular time, these are the ruling planets. For Horary, you will check like this. Go to the settings, take any number. Here also you have to see. You have to select Anamsha. And remember that if a person is born after 2000, check KP, you have to click KP new. And if it is before 2000, KP old, or even Lahari shows the same results. Okay. So we see the ruling planets like this. This is the KP system. Now you have to check Rashi chart, KP chart. So if there's a prashna, this is the prashna. Lagan Lord in third house. Okay, and if you have to check the cusp, like this. First house cusp sublord, Venus. So this is the script of right now. Whatever is the query, the answer is here. Now this is the Android phone. Okay, so here also we have the option. Open the chart, just click to KP system. So we get the KP script over here. Now we want KP chart, then we want Rashi chart, then we want Nakshatra Nadi, and then cusp script. This is the cusp. So you will see that the script is same. Even if you don't have Horosoft right now, don't think that you are stuck right now. You have an option. You have either you have Android phone or iPhone. You will find same script. Now I will show you on Horosoft also. Just see that I am using same date of birth, time and place. And it is showing same coordinators. Now let me show you in Horosoft. So here also you can see, let's go to Nakshatra Nadi, that is most important. So Sun is showing same script, 311, 311 and then Rahu. You can check Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter. Same script is shown. Now this is Horosoft. Okay, so again you can see Sun 311, 311, same script. Moon is showing this one 10, 3, 12. Now let's see over here. So same script is here, 10th house, Mercury. So if you remember, I have told you, if you see Mercury at sublord, if star lord is also showing same, you have to use Jupiter in this case. So Jupiter you will check for career. What is Jupiter saying? So like this you have to analyze 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so like this you have to tell about the career, then job or business. Like this you have to understand the script. Now in my experience I have seen that at times Nakshatra Nadi in iOS app or in iPhone it does not match. So in that case just understand the technique. Make a lagna, make that chart, prashna, make the prashna chart and understand the technique, how to use the cusp lord, how to understand that star lord gives the main results and sublord will support or negate, and what is self-significant. Right now those who don't have Horosoft, just understand the technique. Later you can purchase software, and like if you have to pursue astrology professionally. See, when I started learning, I also started with AstroSage. I had an Android phone and I used to get very excited looking at Nakshatra Nadi. I never used to think like this is not matching, Rahu script is different or Ketu is different, because I just needed to understand the technique, how it works. Okay, so once you understand, then you can check Prashna chart. Like I've explained about Moon Nakshatra. So make a new, for Moon Nakshatra, make a new chart. And like I've told you, and see the ruling planets, like I've explained. So this way, keep on exploring. So like this, I've explained that even if you have any software, just see KP coordinators. And remember that KP, it follows the Placidus system. So only Bhavchalit is used for position. Like here also, like you have seen, in this chart also you can see that Venus and Ketu got linked in Bhavchalit chart. So this gives the real answer to your query. Okay, so this way you can analyze the horoscope through KP astrology very easily. So keep learning and practicing KP astrology. Have a great life.